Ayan guys, oh. Hindi ko nakunan guys. Hindi ko na-on yung video ko guys. Kasi galing ako doon. Marami nagligo doon guys. Kaya nag-moving ako. Ang nagliligo doon, nakabikining mama. Tsaka namit ko yung ang kasama ni Brian sa mga pulis guys. Kaya shout out sa dalawang pulis. Saka sa kay Brian Ayusti. Shout out bro. Good morning, welcome back to Saipan. Kaya dito lang ako lumipat nung kahapon, nung may nakita tayo may pulis doon. Sila parang dalaw din yun. Kaya soon baka makasama natin sila guys sa pagpipising din natin. Alright, continue ko muna guys kasi by the way nakakuha din tayo doon. Kaya guys, ang kuha din natin, bumalik tayo ulit sa ating pwesto. Yun ang huli natin guys. Tayo na zero. Yes, tayo guys. Alright, Papa Joy, good morning guys. Love you guys. Ayan guys, 2 minutes lang guys. So, ayan naman guys, nagwawala naman yung ano natin, si Mr. B guys. Shout out to Mr. B, my darling. Ito naman guys, yung ano Mr. B, nagwawala naman yung ano mo naman sa guys, oh. Yan, nagwawala naman si Mr. Guys because huli naman tayo. Yan o. Yan guys, oh. Yan si Mr. B. Yan to si mama na uli natin guys, oh. Yan, continuous natin guys, ha, continuous na Papa Joy. Guys, papalaban siguro tayo dito. Nandiyan pa yan. Ayan, nandiyan pa. Kasi sobrang laki. Ayun, oh. Sobrang laki to guys. Ayun. Kaya pag-urinin natin siguro to. Ayun, laki. May mga alalay pa guys, oh. Ayun, laki mama naman guys. Ayun, laki mama, oh. Oh, mama. Ayun, laki mama guys. Yan. Ganun lang guys. Ganun lang Mr. B, my darling. Ha? Paisi-isi rin guys. Busy naman sila doon guys. May fisherman doon. Wala silang kuha guys. Sa pantalan. May isa doon kanina. Wala din kuha yata. Pero tayo, may kuha tayo. Ay. Si Papa Jero again guys. Oh. Ah, good size again guys. Oh. Kaso lang may tama yung nahuli natin, oh. Nakagat yata ito ng isda din. Kunti tayo guys. Right darling, may land darling, may mama in the sea. I love you guys. Kunti tayo guys. Guys, mapalaban si Mr. B ngayon dito guys. Sigurado ko guys. Ha? Mapalaban si Mr. B dito guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung ano itong nahuli ko ngayon. Ah, 100% to palaban na to guys. Matagal-tagal to guys. Puno to guys. Oh, Jesus name. Ay, laki pala yun guys. Natin guys, makaabutan tayo ng 1 minute nito. Ang laki makalakapas guys, oh. Ay, salamangka guys, Jesus name. Sayang guys, nakita yung nakawala. Iba naman to guys, oh. Ayan naman, oh. Malaki kasi yung guys, eh. If the big size, hard to ikit. Yung mga ganito lang guys, patayin natin itong kasi lunok ito guys, eh. Ayan, oh. Okay lang guys, continuous na tayo guys. At least mayroon, wala. Magaga pa guys, mga alas 10 na siguro guys. Guys, so andito naman guys, another one. Uy, maputi siguro guys. Kaya guys, if you have time, you have time, come fishing guys, this place guys. can relax, you know. Relax. People here now is a lot of swimmer. My right side and my left side also is a lot too. See that? But if you fishing with me and sit down and smiling, sit down and smiling and catching maputi again, guys. Yeah, yesterday, I catching too, and I'm loading, but this time I'm not loading my volleyball championship yesterday in the gym. But after this one, I'm loading that that game is very beautiful, guys. It's I like that game too. And congratulations the SIS team and S Marianas High School. Thank you, and I like you too. But I thought you the one the champion, but it's okay. It's another year more, right? Congratulations on the championship. And guys, if you have time, please come this beach side and trying fishing like me. You can catching a lot of fish. Honestly with you guys. Mr. B, Sacramento, California. Good morning. And Doctora, good morning. Happy trip. And God bless you all, guys. I'm still continuous catching and fishing, guys. Continuous lang, Mar. Continuous Papa Jerry, guys. Mama in the land and Mama in the sea. I love you guys. And I'm looking see Mama in the land until now. I love you, Mama. I know you like me, but I like you too. Continuous fishing. Enjoy your life. Alright. Okay, guys, so continuous lang tayo, guys. Kasi going low tayo, guys. But I don't know what kind of fish I catching today, guys. Oh, maputi again, guys. Oh, come on, Mama. Okay lang, guys. You have time. Enjoy fishing. Relax in the beach side, like me. Bring your rod and reel. And if you see me, I can teach you that my technique, guys. At least I give you my technique for catching a lot of fish, guys. See? See, you believe me, guys? Only sit down, not yet hours. This is again my catching today. See? Okay, so tayo, guys. Habang may oras pa. 11. Time to go home to drop my wife. See that? Guys, 11 o'clock. It's another swimmer. This morning, I go this side. And I met si Mr. Santos, the Blue House team in the master. And today is a playoff, but he told me he cannot play because he have I think like operation a little bit. Yeah. And then because I have a lot of the swimmer in my spot, I'm transfer another side. The same yesterday. See, look. Swimmer and that another one. See, look, guys, because today is Saturday. Yeah, but at least I trying fishing, guys, since yesterday. And congratulations the SIS volleyball team. Guys, there's a Southern school, I think that one. And by the way, this my catching today, guys. Mr. B, bro, good afternoon there, and almost good afternoon also in Saipan. Alright, guys, because my wife already calling to me, and this is my catching today. This is yet again. At least I still have. Right, thank you for watching, guys. I love you guys. See you soon. Because my wife calling to me to drop in the job.